volt power strip. We've got this one right here. Figured I'd show this thing off to you guys today. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy on up and see what we got on the inside. If y'all find this video helpful, definitely appreciate you guys hooking up that up for me right there. So they do give you some little nuggets and bits right here to be able to mount it up if you want to do something like that. You do have a little instruction booklet right here. Oh, on this side. If you guys need any of that. Y'all can't read backwards and through the thing, can you? Alright, and then this right here is going to be the main unit, the main mama jama. So this is all nice metal construction up and down this thing. Obviously the front pieces right here are plastic. You have a nice easy toggle switch right there on the front. It's grounded and protected as well. And then you have your nice long cord right here. And this is great for like a workshop or something like that, where you might need some length to get the cord to where you can get to all your tools are. And that way you can plug in all your tools in that one area. That's a solid 6-foot cord right there. And that's not including what you get from the strip as well. If I had to guess, this is probably like 1.5 feet. Let's see how long this thing is right here. It holds a bunch of sockets. We're going to check. Yeah, this is 16 inches right there. So that's awesome. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sockets all the way up and down this thing to be able to plug in all the things that you might need to get charged on up. Oh, I just noticed there's some extra. Well, is there anything else in there? Nope, that's all the nuggets and bits. Let's see, the input voltage, 125 volts AC, 60 hertz. Max power rating, 20 amps, max 2,500 watts. Surge protection rating at 600 joules. And then your cord is at 12 gauge 6-foot cord right there. You get one power strip and one instruction manual in there. Heavy duty metal right here. Got the built-in circuit breaker, surge protection, and overload protection. So y'all are looking for an excellent 125 volt power strip, y'all definitely need to go and grab y'all one of these right here. This thing looks fantastic. Y'all let me know if this was helpful. If it was, there's that helpful right there. Definitely appreciate you guys hooking that up for me. Y'all go and add this to your cart if this is something that you want. I believe that they make this with either longer cords or more or less outlets too. So if you're looking for like a specific length or a specific amount of outlets, definitely go and check out the product listing below. And they'll have all the different options on there. So you guys can go and choose the one that's going to be the best for you and your situation that you're using it in. But this thing looks very nice, beefy. I love the metal construction. So y'all go and grab y'all one of these if this is something that you're looking at. Thank y'all for watching. Again, y'all let me know if this was helpful. And thank you to these guys for sending this to me so I can show this off to y'all. Thank y'all for watching, and Dad out.